everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wedding colors, and more specifically, the timeless elegance of black and white. Now, you might be wondering why these classic hues have stood the test of time in the wedding industry. Well, let's break it down. It's a pairing that not only complements a couple, but adds a touch of elegance to the entire celebration. Whether you're planning an indoor extravaganza or a romantic outdoor ceremony, these colors have a universal appeal that adapts effortlessly to any environment. The simplicity of the combination lends itself well to both casual and upscale affairs, making it a versatile choice for couples with diverse tastes. When combined, they create a uniformed and balanced look that has been a staple in weddings for generations. First and foremost, black and white are a dynamic duo that works seamlessly in a variety of settings. Now let's talk about the classic match with the bride and groom attire. The traditional white wedding gown symbolizes purity and innocence, while the black tuxedo exudes sophistication and timeless charm. We also introduce greenery or a third color to infuse personality and vibrancy into the overall aesthetic. But it doesn't stop there. Black and white serve as an incredible base for creative expression. The neutral palette allows for endless possibilities when it comes to decor. Picture this, the elegance of black and white paired with glimmering gold or sleek silver accents, adding a touch of glamour to the celebration. So whether you're planning a grand celebration or an intimate gathering, black and white remain a steadfast choice for couples seeking a timeless and elegant wedding aesthetic. Overall, the timeless allure of black and white in weddings goes beyond their simplicity. These classic colors effortlessly adapt to different settings, create a harmonious look with traditional attire, and serve as a versatile canvas for a myriad of decor choices. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this exploration of wedding colors, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again, and see you next time!